They call me Squirrel.
What's going on, Squirrel Squad? How we doing? How we doing? How are you doing? God, I hope you're all doing well. I really do. It's good to be back with another video. Today I'm going to go back and do another Mr. M video. I did Rally Pure Sound 14, and this was going to be, this is Rally 4, the best scenes of rallying Pure Sound. You know, I know this is clips from all different kinds of rallying, and I hope that you guys just enjoy it for the fun that it is. I do. I thought the first one was awesome. So happy to be able to come back to Mr. M's page and do another video for Mr. M. Amazing page. If you like these rally videos I'm doing, go over there and subscribe to this guy. Watch some videos. Super cool guy. How cool is he? He's that cool. Yeah. So let's go over there and show him some support, alright? Super, super cool guy. So yeah, this time I decided to go with number 4. I'm going to bounce around, just do some random ones, but go check out Mr. M. Say hello. This is Rally 4. Best scenes of rallying Pure Sound. Here we go.
You request and jump here, caution, 3 right, 1 on the outside. Now watch this up. 3.
So this is what I was asking about last time, and a lot of people really explained this to me, and I appreciated it. This guy has crib notes, basically, for the entire course they're going to be running, and he tells them, you know, right, you know, like he's saying right 9 right now, whatever. I believe that's probably like the degrees. I know some people said that he'll be like 35.5 or whatever, so it's telling him, you know, the 35, go down to 35 miles an hour, getting, you know, you want to take it in 5th gear or whatever, so it's kind of cool. It's kind of like shorthand, almost like a waitress would order, you know, at a diner, you know, just all shorthand stuff. But those notes mean a lot to both of them. They know exactly what they mean. It's all code. Really, really fucking cool.
3 right, 1 on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires.
Easy down.
80 down.
Oh shit.
That's it.
Oh shit.
Hold it. That's the one.
Oh, you see that guy fucking go back and forth with the wheel. That wheel, back and forth, back and forth. Wow. I'd have lost it. I've been in the cornfield.
Watch the chicane. That's the style. That's the style of her. Keep her together now, no?
Nice. I like that in the car view. That's really cool. It's time to throw those windshield wipers on. Oh, wow, that was awesome. Did you see that shit? Oh, man. I love those little cars. I think those are little gremlins, I think. I wish I could find one of them nowadays. I'll tell you. Ooh. Boom. Oh, into the peoples! Oh, that person in the back took a tumble. Oh, shoot. Everybody looked like he just kind of like pushed him back. Like that whole row of people just kind of right back, you know? If this is your first time here, by the way, we're trying to get this guy to like 10,000 subscribers or even more, whatever. I don't know what we're doing. We're all just going crazy together. But feel free, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Come back and watch some more of this, alright? Anyways, I hope the person in the back's okay. I really, really do. I've said this before, and I know people kind of gave me some shit for it, but, you know, as long as everybody's okay, I'm okay. I just don't want to see people get, like, maimed or killed for my entertainment. That's all. That's how I feel. That's all. I don't know. Yeah, they're up. Oh, big jump. Nice. Oh, a little fire out the back there, getting fancy. It's a fancy fire. A boxy little car there. It's a boxy little son of a bitch. There we go. Oh, you see how fast that son of a bitch was going? It's like a slalom through the hay bales. Ooh. Wow, that was close. What's this guy? Oh, because we gotta wipe. Oh, no. You son of a bitch. Oh. What shit luck that was. They slow down to try to get around this guy who's fucking stopped in the road. I don't know if that's another rally car, but they're stopped in the road. Bang. Hits the curb right over the fucking edge. It's shitty. Shitty. I like the little flames off me at the car. That adds a little flare. I love these. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Oh my god. I swear. Of course you're scared. Here we go again. Little CPI sports guy still cruising along at a medium pace. Ooh. The snow scares me, alright? I do enough rallying on my own in the fucking snow. Like that. Oh, shit. Shit. No fucking way. What the fuck is that? Did you see that? The luckiest son of a bitch in the world. Wow. That's fucking crazy. Oh. Oh, shit. Wow, that was a crazy ass drift, huh? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fuck out of the way! Ripping around these corners, huh? Oh shit. Wow! That always blows me away when those lucky saves. The horns to let everybody know it's coming. I learned that in the last video. Nice work. Oh shit! Oh. Yeah, that guy's not landing on the road and continuing on, unfortunately. I think he's over in the bushes. Is that them? That's the replay. Yeah, there it is, replay. Wow. The replay was great, right? See ya. Ooh. Wow. I'm gonna do some. By the way, allow me to just interrupt this in the middle of it, right? I'm gonna do some Class B. I'm gonna react to some of that too. That's something that mentioned by some people. I did look at a little bit of it, and that's, yeah, we'll take a look at that soon. Oh, fucking people. Jesus. Another one. The handling is unbelievable. Well, I say the handling is unbelievable just as, and we'll see, maybe this is going to be some unbelievable handling, but it appears this car may be riding into the crowd. Okay, I was right. Someone just bounced off the windshield. Fuck. Oh, hello, sir. You do a little coney cone slalom then. So you're gonna fucking fly you down the road and then, oh by the way, at the end, you should run through some cones before you take a sharp turn left. He barely fit through that, by the way. Jesus, he hit that hard. Are they on the road? Open the door. Open the door. Get the fuck out. Dude, they hit that hard. Like, fucking hard. Wow. Open the door.
Marshall telling them to move from there.
Well, doll. Take out the blow-up doll. Perfect, right there on the screen, the Mr. M logo. Make sure you guys check out Mr. M. Awesome compilations. That one was really good. A lot of cool, different kind of stuff in the last one. A couple people bouncing off windshields and shit. Whatever, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed it. That was good. And the pure sound of some of those cars, the handling, the saves, the near massive destructive wipeouts. A car rolling over 47 fucking times, or how many times it rolled over and landing on the track, ready to go. What was that? Anyway, I appreciate you guys. I don't just appreciate you being here and watching the videos. I just appreciate you all the way around. I appreciate the comments, the likes, the education. I appreciate all of it. I really, really do. I love doing this. I love the interaction with all you folks. Thank you all so very, 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 very much for all the messages and the emails and the Twitters and the Discords. And man, I'm having such a great time. I really am. Appreciate you guys. Squirrel out. Fuck yeah, MCKYA. Fuck yeah, MCKYA. I really hate your fucking guts, and I'd like to kick you in the nuts. So fuck yeah, MCKYA.